Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about third chapter, that is nuclear physics. So in this chapter we are mainly discussing about nucleus. What is nucleus? Which particles are present in the nucleus? Okay. So what is their structure, shape, mass, density? Now we are going to discuss. So before going to discuss about what is nucleus, which elements are present in that nucleus, we discussed. So according to atomic models, every atom is consist of three subatomic particles, that is electron, proton, neutron. So according to Bohr atomic model, every electron is revolving around the nucleus in specified path in a circular orbit. So here electron is revolving around the nucleus, means negative charged particle is revolving around the nucleus. So only the proton and neutron are present in the center of an atom. So that center of an atom we call as a nucleus. Okay, nucleus means nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. So the combine of proton and neutrons we call as a nucleons. Okay, in nucleus nucleons are present. So here we know that proton is a positive charged particle and neutron is a no charge, means neutral. So nucleus is positively charged particle. So here in nucleus majorly protons and neutrons are present. So now we have to calculate mass of protons. So mass of proton is 1.67 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs and their charge is plus 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. And similarly mass of neutron. So mass of neutron is also 1.67 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs and the charge is no charge. Okay, that is neutral in charge. Okay, we can consider sometimes 0. So now here based upon the protons, okay, we can calculate atomic number. So atomic number is denoted by capital Z, means the number of protons present in an atom is called atomic number. And similarly we can calculate atomic mass number also. Okay, atomic mass number denoted by capital A. So the sum of protons and neutrons we call as a atomic mass number. Okay, that is capital A is equals to Z plus N. So here Z is the represents number of protons, N represents number of neutrons. So based upon the number of protons and neutrons, the stability of atom is depends. Okay, so now we are discussing about basic properties of nucleus. Okay, so here nucleus is mainly depends upon some factors, that is mass, nuclear mass, okay, spin, density and radius. So now we are going to discuss about one by one in detail. So first one is nuclear mass. Okay, so we know that nuclear mass means nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. So the mass of protons and neutrons will give as a nuclear mass. So that is Zmp plus Nmn will gives as a nuclear mass. So this is the nuclear mass of each nucleus. So here Z represents atomic number, N represents number of neutrons, and Mp represents mass of proton, Mn represents mass of neutron. So here according to Einstein mass energy equivalence, mass is converted to energy. So here nuclear mass is measured in nowadays in AMU, means AMU stands for atomic mass unit. So 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kgs. So here I am using here Einstein mass energy equivalence relation. So mass is converted to energy, so that should be is equals to 931.5 electron volts. Okay, so 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 10 to the power minus 27 kgs in terms of mass, and in case of energy that should be equals to 931.5 electron volts. So this is the nuclear mass for each electron. And similarly, now we are going to discuss about next one is nuclear charge. Okay, so before we know that nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. So neutron has no charge. So nucleus is mainly depends upon the charge of proton. So nuclear charge is proton. So the proton charge is positive and its value is plus 1.6 10 to the power minus 27 coulombs. Okay, so this is the nuclear charge. And the next one is nuclear radius. Okay, so here nuclear radius is calculated in two ways. That is, first one by scattering of fast protons or neutrons. Okay, by scattering of fast protons or neutrons. Or another method is by scattering of electron. So by using these two methods we can calculate the nucleus radius. So here nuclear radius is explained by first of all Rutherford's. Okay, so Rutherford's gives the diameter of a nucleus in Fermis. So according to Rutherford, 1 Fermi is equals to 2.34 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. So here by using Rutherford is giving a empirical formula for nuclear radius. So the nuclear radius formula is R is equals to R naught into e to the power 1 by 3. So here R naught we call as a linear constant. Its value should be is equals to 1.4 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. And A is atomic mass number. Okay, so this is the Rutherford relation. Okay, so now similarly we are going to discuss